See here, the first discussing about the application of document. First one, source is moving, observer is at rest. Which is the moving there? Source is moving, observer is at rest. See, this is the diagram. This is the observer. What is the is at rest? That's the denoted by the V naught. Velocity of observer is equal to 0 because of is at rest. Next, S1 is nothing but a source is moving because of it says they are moving. This is the direction can be moving. See this moving with velocity is there Vs. That is the source of velocity denoted by Vs. Source of velocity Vs. See here. Now these two are separated by the distance. How much is there? L. The two are separated by distance is there? L. Then suppose a source S. Suppose the source S. The moving with velocity Vs. Moving with velocity Vs. And an observer is at rest. Observer can be at rest. Let V be the velocity of the sound here. When the source is producing of a sound, who was listening by there? Observer can be listening. That sound of the velocity, what is denoted by this name? V. Let at time t is equal to 0. At a time t is equal to 0. The source at S1. The source at S1. Where is taken the initial? The t is equal time is nothing but starting position. The starting we can start with the 0. See, observer here is the rest and source is also rest. At a time t is equal to 0. At a time, see here. At a time t is equal to 0. The source at S1. Where is the source is the S1. The located the distance of L. The located distance of the L from the observer. From the observer. And it emits out pulse. The how many pulsar can be emitted by them? The only the single pulse can be emitted. The where is the received by them? This reaches the observer. The where is received by them? The reaches the observer at a time t1. How much of the time is taken by the t1? Okay. Now the source emitted. How many pulses are emitted by them? The single pulse. The where is reached by them? Observer can be reached. How much of the time is taken by them? t1 time. Therefore, time is equal. The basic formula is that time is equal. What is the time is there? Distance by time. Sir, velocity. Distance by velocity. Distance. The source and observer between how much of the distance is there? L. We can write here the L. Velocity. Velocity is nothing but the velocity of sound in air. That is how much is there? V. The time how much is there? T1. The T1 is equal to L by V. See, this is the first reaches the sound on a observer. Here, when the source is moving the Vs, the reaches the another point is the S2. At a time t is equal to t0. Okay, right here at a time t is equal to t0. At a time t is equal to t0. The source you can write here. The source, where is the position is there? The source is at point S2. Is at the point is the S2. Therefore, the distance traveled source. The distance traveled source. The how much of the distance can be traveled? We know the formula. Distance is equal. Since distance is equal. So distance we take here, we can write the taken velocity into time. What is the formula? The distance is equal to velocity into time. See, right here the distance. So distance we can write here the distance is equal to Distance is equal to velocity into time. The how much of the velocity is there? The source velocity vs. Time. How much of the time is taken here? The t naught time. It travels the s1 to s2. The reach by the time is how much is that? T naught. We can write the t naught. See, right? The s2 s1. How much of the distance is there? Vs into t naught. Distance how much is traveled by there? The vs into t naught. The total distance, the observer to source. See, that is the L already is there. Adding L plus Vs T naught is the total distance from observer to at source is S2 the time interval of T naught. Now you can write here therefore the sound, the source emits second pulse. The source emits a second pulse. This reaches the observer. This reaches the observer at time t2. See what is here the source is there S2 and it's producing of the sound. How many pulse is there? Second pulse. Is the first one is here there is the first pulse, here there is the second pulse. And where is the reaches by the observer can be reaches. The how much of the time is taken by the t2 time interval. Therefore, T2 is equal. Now here the distance of how much of the time is there? T naught plus, and here the time. Time is nothing but what is the distance by velocity. Here the distance how much is there? L plus Vs T naught by V. See, this is the total where the source is there, the S2 position. Now it emits of the second pulse and receive of the observer. Therefore, the time t2 is equal to t naught plus L plus Vs T naught by V. This is also distance by velocity, also is called the time. There is a similarly, when source is moving, this is the direction and reach at the S3 position. S3 at time t is equal to 2 t naught and traveling the distance is 2 Vs T naught. Therefore, the similarly, the source emits. The source emits third pulse. This reaches observer at time t3. Therefore, the t3 is equal to how much of the time is there here? 2 t naught plus L plus 2 Vs T naught by V. Therefore, similarly, nth time at t is equal to L T naught. T is equal to how much is there? T naught. That means the source is moving away and so on. See here the and so on. Up to be taken there the SL and the time is there. At the time t is equal to N T naught. N is equal to T naught. Now again, here the source is traveling to the nth second and producing of the n pulse. The who was received by the observer in time t n plus 1 and observing here the t2 is there 2, t2 ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకు 1 వచ్చింది అంటే దీనికంటే ఇక్కడ టైం ఇక్కడ తక్కువ కాబట్టి ఎంత టైం అప్పుడు ఎంత చేస్తుంది మనకు tn plus 1 seconds can be received by the observer, that is equal to n 2 plus n t0 plus l plus 2 plus n vs t0 by v, n0 by v. See, this is the nth time interval. This is the equation of that t is equal to n t0 plus the received by the observer in the tn plus 1 seconds. This is therefore the time, the difference between first and last time intervals. Okay, the difference between the first and last time interval is denoted by a small t is equal to tn plus 1 minus t1. tn plus 1 minus t1. Right here the tn plus 1. tn plus 1 is equal to how much is there here? The n t0 plus l plus n into vs t0 by v. See, this is the only for the tn plus minus t1. t1 is equal to how much is the first one? Is there l by v. How much is there? L by v. Now this v can be dividing up these both terms. We can write here the n t0 plus l by v plus n vs t0 by v minus l by v. Here the plus l by v and minus l by v is cancelled. The remaining what is there here? The n t0 plus n vs t0 by v, and here take the common. So what is the taken the common here? We take the common is the n t0, we take the common. The small t is equal to n t0, we take the common 1 plus vs by v. This is the small interval. So next, the observer detector counts n pulse. See how many counts can be detected by the observer? N counts. That is the total time is t is equal to small t by n. See, this is the observer detector counts for n pulse. Inta time lo n pulse lone inadani manam capital T ante. But we know the small t. What is the formula for the small t? Here is there. We can write it that t is equal to n t0 into 1 plus vs by v all divided by how much is there here? The n. This n gets cancelled. Then the t is equal to t0 into 1 plus vs by v. This is considered the equation number 1. Therefore, frequency, the what we can find here, the frequency we can find out when the source is the moving away from the observer or towards the observer, that we can find this frequency. The frequency is always reciprocal of the time. The frequency f is equal to 1 by t. Frequency f is equal to 1 by t. See, we can write here the denominator, we can write that 1 by t is equal to 1 by t0 into 1 plus vs by v. See here also we consider 1 by t is equal to f. 1 by t0 is equal to f0. See, f0 is nothing but operant frequency. F is equal to actual frequency. Now we can write here. See, substitute here. 1 by t. 1 by t is equal to how much is there here? The f. 1 by t is equal to how much is there here? The f. Next, 1 by t0. 1 by t0 is equal to how much is there here? The f0. How much is there? F. We can the 1 by d naught is equal to F naught. And this denominator values take the numerator. The denominator take the numerator 1 plus Vs by V whole to the power of minus 1. Because of the denominator values take the numerator, the place is coming to the minus. See, apply here the binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. What is it? 1 plus or minus x to the power of n is equal. This is the one of the trigonometry formula. 1 plus or minus x to the power of n is equal to 1 plus or minus n into x factorial. And higher powers are can be negligible. See, this power is coming to the here. This is also apply here. 1 plus Vs by V is nothing but a constant of x. Power how much is here? Here the power is minus 1. Here the multiplier. See right here the F naught into 1 plus minus 1 into Vs by V. Vs by V. Then plus into minus. Right, the F is equal to F naught into 1 minus Vs by V. See, this is the formula when the source is move away from the observer. Source is moving away from the observer. Source is moving away from the observer. What is that? F is equal to F naught into 1 minus Vs by F is equal to actual frequency. F naught is equal to apparent frequency. Vs is equal to velocity of source. V is equal to velocity of sound. In air. See, this is the condition for the source is moving away from the observer. Similarly, when source is moving towards observer. Here Vs replace by minus Vs. The Vs is replaced by the minus Vs because of its moving toward the opposite direction. Initially we can observe the observer is there here the position, the source is moving, this is the direction. So that is the condition. When the source is moves toward the observer, the first one to comparing, the second one can be moving in a opposite direction. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇది మనకు x డైరెక్షన్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, సెకండ్ వన్ మనకు ఆపోజిట్ అంటే మైనస్ x డైరెక్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ ఈ మైనస్. Now this is the minus Vx value you can substitute here. See, that is the F is equal to F naught into minus into minus plus 1 plus Vs by V. See, this is the formula for the source is moving towards the observer. Source is moving towards the observer. This is the first application of a Doppler effect. When the observer is at rest, source is moving towards the observer and the source is moving away from the observer. There is a two conditions for the two formulas. Two conditions for the two. The same, but what is the difference in there? Here coming by the negative, here coming by the positive. The negative is indicating the source is moving away from the observer. The positive can be indicating the source is moving towards the observer.